Hello, my name is Lily Gonzalez, and this is my video presentation about an cow eye dissection. Here, I have many cow eyes, but I try to take already off some of the muscle around so you can see better the structures. We see here the cornea, the sclera, and the optic nerve. Here you can see better optic nerve. Now, I will try to make a cut so we can see the inside structures. I put some paper here because this one will have liquid. I will make a puncture here. And actually, you will see some of the aqueous humor coming out. Okay, now that we open it, we can see here the ventral humor. We will take some off of the ventral humor so you can see here on the back the iris of the cow. Now, on this part, we will take it out so we can see the cornea and this